Welcome to my first video of my YouTube channel. This was the poker run at Polaris World in Willfield, Arizona on March 30th, 2025. As you'll be able to see, I've had some issues with the camera. It's new and I'm new at this. I would like to thank G-Life UTV on YouTube. He's got some really good information on side-by-sides. Look him up. He also has a lot of good product on there for sale to help him out. And also a shout out to Polaris Can-Am Honda World. They have great salespeople, great people there all around. It's a great place to go to, a lot of fun, and they put on some pretty good stuff. So here you go, enjoy. It's got to get better.